Straight dripping like waterfalls. Say that to that pussy, stay dripping like waterfall. Baby girl, know what I'm saying, y'all. Say that pussy is dripping like waterfall. Say that pussy is dripping like waterfall. Yeah, that is drip off on my mouth. Yeah, that waterfall all on my head. Yeah, I like it just like that. Pussy straight dripping like waterfall. Pussy they dripping like waterfall. Little bit wetter than rainfall. Let that shit drip up on my mouth, put it in my mouth, put it in my mouth, girl, ahead and sit, put it on my mouth, I just wanna see how you're moving, I just wanna see what you're doing, I just wanna see how you're grooving, make your legs shake, know what I'm saying, how you doing, baby girl, how you doing? I'ma keep you stuck, keep you glued in. I'ma have your heart straight racing. I'ma have your other nigga pacing. Cause they ain't never get her again. They won't never ever see her again. Once I let her go ahead, put it dead on my chin. Sit down, baby girl, then I make you grin. Hey, then I make you win. She's so motivated and sweet, she just going to win. Pussy get dripping like waterfall. Pussy get dripping like waterfall. Pussy get dripping like waterfall. They gon' drip off in my mouth. Pussy still dripping like waterfall. Pussy still dripping like waterfall. They just fall up on my head. Girl, I like it just like that. Pussy still dripping like waterfall. Pussy still dripping like waterfall. Said I jumped off of that mountain just to dive in that water. Jumped off of that mountain just to dive in that water. Niagara Fall, whatever you really just wanna call her. Know what I'm saying? Like, baby, I swear she is about her. She done let me in. Got so many ducks that just want to spin. I'm like, baby girl, how you do that shit? How you do that shit? The way you move that shit. Make a nigga move a whole brick. Make a nigga move a whole mountain. Obstacles in my way, I move them out. You know what I'm saying? That was your last nigga, he gone. He ain't never ever getting a come home. Now I'm calling that shit my home. Baby girl, I'm a dog and I know what I said, that I need a bone. If you keep me good, then I'm gonna always come home. Hey, and always give that good head. I need that water in my mouth to stay hydrated. You heard what I said. I need that water in my mouth to stay hydrated. Pussy still dripping like waterfall. Pussy still dripping like waterfall. Let it gon' drip off in my mouth. Let it gon' drip off in my mouth. Pussy still dripping like waterfall. Pussy still dripping like waterfall. Pussy still dripping like waterfall. Let it gon' fall up on my head. It's so wet. Say baby, it's so wet. I'm saying, Straight dripping like waterfalls. Say that to that pussy.